Hello, this is Crypto CJ. Welcome to today's trade of the day. Today I'm going to talk about what you do when a trade goes wrong, when it goes badly. I'm talking about ladder buying again. It's been a while since I've discussed it, but it came to pass in a couple trades yesterday. Let's focus on one of them. We'll go to the chart. So I started this trading odyssey back on December 3rd. I'm recording this video on the afternoon of December 15th, so it was 12 days ago. This is what I was looking at then. ADA, or Cardano, had been trading towards a recent high, and so I was looking at the ADA upcoin to take advantage of 2 to 3 times leverage. So you can see in late November and early December, it was trading up in this range, took a big drop, and started working its way back. So I get this little dip here. I have a 5-minute alert that goes off at around 9 o'clock at night, and I buy this at 5.850 at 9 p.m. on December 3rd, and the obvious retrace is here. I'm hoping this goes back. I set my initial sell order at around 7.9. It never even gets close. So what happens is the coin goes sideways, drops some, goes sideways again, drops a little more, and then this alert goes off in the wee hours of the morning on December 8th, 3 in the morning. So you can see I'm on the 1-hour chart, and this is the RSI going into oversold territory under 30. I'll do a quick circle of that. So this is the alert that goes off. I like to set alerts on the RSI to let me know of potential dip trades. So this goes off. I get in. I'm on my phone in bed. I do this order here. It's my first ladder buy, 5.025 at 3:12 a.m. on December 8th. So at this point, I have twice the money in the trade, and this allows me to lower my prior exit point, as I have a second position about 10% lower. Well, let's measure that. So actually more than 10%, more like about 13% lower. Some experts say you should do ladder buys after a 2% drop, 5% drop, especially on the up and down coins. I use a 10% drop. I set that alert, and if it goes off, I evaluate it and look for that first ladder buy. So unfortunately, as you can see, it continues to drop. The RSI keeps plunging below 30. So in retrospect, I should have made a second ladder buy here. I didn't. I don't recall why, but that would have been an ideal way to handle this. Would have been a better profit in the long run. But anyway, the coin does work its way back up eventually. And I'm actually live trading this yesterday on the 14th. I had a sell order up here somewhere, and I cancel it, and I sell it live for 5.668 at 3 p.m. yesterday for a 4.745% profit. I've got twice the money in it, so as far as that goes, it's a good trade. The downside of this particular trade was that I was in the first position for 11 days, the second position for 6 days, and so it was less than 1% per day profit for the whole thing, but way better than a loss. So again, it's stacking up these smaller trades that can really increase your balance. So overall, I view this as a success. I made some profit, and I was able to replenish my balance for additional trades. So that's all I have regarding the ladder buy. Please stay tuned for some additional messages, and please check out the tools and resources in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Have a good one.